Check this out, guys. So this is a battery discharge tester that I'm currently using on this battery that I know for a fact is 25 amp hours, 52 volts, because I took it apart. As you can tell, there's a bunch of duct tape here. I counted all the cells. So I'm running our battery discharge tester just to see the accuracy of it. If you notice, we can discharge it at a maximum of just about 600 watts, which it'll take some time to discharge this battery, but that's okay. You know, it is what it is. Cutoff voltage, it will not discharge further than 42 volts, although the BMS in the battery and sometimes the display on an e-bike will prevent the battery from discharging too far anyway. But what I can do with this discharger is test the battery capacity on almost every single e-bike that I review, because I'm finding, and I'm sure you guys are finding as well, that e-bike companies, they are just straight up lying in terms of how many watt hours a battery actually is. And so now all I need is an XT60 or XT90 or a QS8 connector leading to the controller. As long as it's live, I'll simply plug that into this tester, and I can discharge it at a maximum of 600 watts until empty, until a certain cutoff voltage or until the BMS cuts it off. And that way we'll know for sure how many watt hours a battery actually is. As you can tell right now, we're counting the watt hours, the milliamp hours. As you can see, there's some voltage sag going on. It was at 58 before I started this test. Now we're at 56, discharging at a current of 10 amps. So this is gonna run for a while. I do have the app installed for this tester as well. That way I can just post a screenshot for you guys after the review, and I'll show you what my tests show for the actual battery capacity on an e-bike. So let me know what you guys think. As far as I know, I'm the only reviewer that's going to be using this type of tool. I'm really getting sick of these companies just being dishonest with their battery specs. This is actually from an e-bike company named Vitolin, and they are honest. They advertise this pack as 25 amp hours, and I opened it up, I counted the cells, it is 25 amp hours. Other companies advertise this same exact pack as 32 amp hours. That's ridiculous. So no more lying, no more of that slimy behavior. We're gonna actually start verifying what these capacities actually are. Stay tuned.